बेटा मैं समझ गया. They are making cookies.
So we were just roaming around and guess यहाँ पे कौन मिलता है. I don't know why the Christmas tree looks like it's tilting. I hope it's safe. Let's not force him to do what he doesn't want. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today हम लोग Krakow में हैं. We'll be exploring Krakow का old town and we'll be going to a shop. E-Vedel करके shop होता है. वहाँ पर like they give you hot chocolate and all. So in the Christmas spirit हम लोग hot chocolate पीने जाएंगे और वहाँ पे enjoy करेंगे. थोड़ा क्रिसमस वाइब्स लेंगे. बिफोर दैट हम लोग सिंस वी आर फीलिंग अ बिट टायर्ड, अ बिट आउट ऑफ एनर्जी, एक्सेप्ट प्रज्ञा, शी इज़ फुल ऑफ एनर्जी आई गेस. विल बी गोइंग एंड ग्रैबिंग सम कॉफ़ी और टी एंड कॉफ़ी टी के बाद विल डायरेक्टली हॉप ऑन टू द E-Vedel का कैफ़े and there will enjoy whatever they have to give. So yeah, see you then. Bye bye. Bye. Look at this Sega Phoenix flying in the air. So भाई change of plans. अपन लोग सबसे पहले जा रहे हैं to grab something to eat. हमने इससे पहले जहाँ से फलाफल लिए थे, they were very good, very nice. The food was so good that we are going for round 2. This time we are taking Shafi with us because he will grab something and मैं तो सिर्फ बहाने में कुछ ले लूँगा क्योंकि it was just too good. बाकी yeah, after this maybe we'll grab some tea or coffee somewhere there nearby and then directly to the chocolate parlor. So yeah.
This one. Only salty.
So we have got this, like this is a potato with some olives and like chicken. What is this? This thing. This.
halwa.
Halwa? Can I have a taste? Give me the best one among them. Okay. This is best. Okay. Okay. This was first one, yes? First one, yes? Okay. So, one this, please. And one baklava. These are 3 types of baklava.
Yes.
Which one is the best one? This is best?
Yes.
You sure?
What's this?
Not this? This? Okay.
I like the triangle one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So one this.
उसने कौन सा बोला बेस्ट है?
उसने यही वाला बोला
ये वाला ले।
कि ये वाला बेस्ट है. Cause I always eat like this baklava.
Small.
It's small. Okay. ये लो.
ये पकड़ो.
They're so nice. So we got
This
it.
Gunjan.
You want rapa?
And
Try this.
Pragya is going to. It's
Hot. Can you like take a bite from it straight away?
It will be hot.
okay.
Why is it sweet? It's a little sweet.
I don't know, baby. So
Yeah.
Pragya is going to try this. इधर आ जाते हैं इधर आके ट्राई करते हैं. यहाँ पे खड़े होके यहाँ खड़ी हो जाए. Okay. It's nice.
It's nice.
Okay. I want to try.
nice.
देना मेरा करना.
How is samosa?
I've had better, but I think it's their style, their stuff. Filling is not bad. The outside also is not bad. It's very different from ours.
Yeah.
They don't use samosa par, they use something else.
Olive गिरेगा.
This is actually very nice. First time I'm trying this kind of thing, but it's amazing. Like I like this dish. Now I want Shafi to try this falafel roll. Either falafel roll or like some kind of roll or falafels. So going to shake falafel. You can see they have different kind of falafels. Falafel mango,
Mango
falafel classic,
लेना बेबी.
falafel harissa, and falafel shosnik.
बेबी mango
So-
falafel लेना दो.
Two for you only.
Yes.
Two for you
एक
only.
इधर से होंगे एक इधर से.
No, two for you only. Seriously asking.
No, like
एक खाओगी?
एक ही खाऊंगी.
Okay. So और कोई?
नहीं, मेरे को ट्राई करना मैंगो फ्लावर.
Okay.
तुम्हें जो लेना लो.
Okay. तुम्हारे लिए एक है ना?
हाँ.
Basically वो बोलो. Okay.
हाँ.
Rest I will do. So I will probably have all of the falafels. Once again, because I am in love with their falafels. So I will have one this, one this, one this, and one that. Kanapka, it was really nice, but
Which one did you buy?
Pragya bought this one, Kurchak Shawarma and Bakwajan.
This? Oh, this one.
Bakwajan, yes.
Ah.
But you can try different one as well. I now want to see what else they have. So they also have this hawa, and there is this like ये परांठे जैसा लग रहा है बिल्कुल अंदर, and ये बकवाजान है इधर. So I guess बाकी चीज़ें सेम है, बट अभी तो हम ये खाएंगे. बेबी तुम सारा मीट खा गई?
क्या?
So
It's prepared.
which one did you buy?
I bought the. She took it off.
मेरे को ले लो फिर.
The which one? The which one?
Feta.
Feta. Okay. Okay, now it's my turn. Dzień dobry. Proszę dwa razy falafel mango i jeden falafel classic, jeden harissa, jeden czosnek. Przepraszam, dwa razy harissa. Dwa razy harissa.
Jeszcze?
Ja, tak.
Jeszcze dwa?
Dwa. No, nie, jeden. Jeden, tak. Gorąco, tak?
Nie.
Nie?
Falafel nie.
Falafel nie. Okay.
वो बंद कर दिया ना फ्राइंग वाला.
Okay. So guys, फलाफल ले लिए हैं, बाकी सब सामान भी ले लिया है. ठीक है. अब बैठ के आराम से इसको खाते हैं. भाई ये लोग यहाँ बेलनों की दुकान में चले गए हैं फॉर सम रीज़न. आई डोंट नो क्या है ये. आई थिंक 3D प्रिंट करता है बेलन. So they went into the shop to buy some 3D printed balloons. I don't know what we will get out of it, but okay. Shafi, you are enjoying your shawarma roll.
10 on 10.
10 on 10, yes. It's fucking good.
The balance of the price and the taste and the quality. Flat.
Yes, yes. Agreed. I saw this. I even like saw this and I knew it's good quality. Very nice.
I would buy there again. I would recommend it. Because even the chicken is not like a processed chicken. When
Yeah.
you bite it, it feels like you're eating a piece from a leg of a chicken, you know?
Yeah.
That
So
changes
it's
everything.
very nice.
Yeah.
You know, when they process it, it gets dry and it's brittle.
Yeah.
Right now it's juicy. It like stretches. देख लेते हैं भैया बेलन पे क्या मिलता है. By the way, दुकान का कुछ भी नाम नहीं है. It's just बेलन. And हर जगह बेलन और like stamps and different kinds के. Like wood की 3D. अच्छा बेटा मैं समझ गया. They are making cookies. You see this? They're making cookies out of it. Like 3D printed cookies. Crazy. Look at this. ऐसे बेलन है. You can cut multiple of it and you make cookies. Okay. So basically you stamp. Bye. So हम लोग क्राकोव में थे. So we were just roaming around. एंड गैस यहाँ पे कौन मिलता है? मिस्टर बीन. सर आप कैसे हो? सर भाई वो आवाज़ नहीं है, उसको आवाज़ नहीं आ रही. भाई लोग वैसे पीछे मैसी भी है, ये कोई चूतिया है, एंड पीछे है विल स्मिथ. मजाक कर रहा हूँ भाई, वैक्स म्यूजियम है, तुम सबको पता होगा.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
जिंगल बेल.
Your shop is now famous in the whole world. I swear.
क्या कर रही है? इतना बड़ा लेके कैमरा.
You have someone taking pictures from a big camera. Okay. We are trying to find this E-Vedel, but apparently it's nowhere to be found. Well, we found a lode, but there is no E-Vedel. Okay, at the center we saw this thing. It's a huge tower, and it looks so grand and it's so nice. Like it's one of those movies, like the gothic look. I love this gothic look. So guys, हम क्राकोव के ओल्ड टाउन स्क्वायर में आ चुके हैं, एंड दिस इज़ द क्राकोव का क्रिसमस ट्री. आजकल इंटरनेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हो रहा है. Like one of the best Christmas tree. I feel like I would agree with them. यार best Christmas tree तो है. It looks so nice. Like मेरा कैमरा इसको justice नहीं कर रहा है, but it looks very nice. बाकी यहाँ का स्क्वायर इतना बड़ा है. Look at this tower. This is very grand, very amazing. मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ वहाँ की बुराई नहीं करना चाहता, बट लाइक वॉर्सो से बहुत अच्छा स्क्वायर एंड ओल्ड टाउन मेरे को लग रहा है अभी तक क्राकोव का. दैट आई कैन डेफिनेटली से. वॉवेल कैथेड्रल in person it looks grand and it looks so nice. It's right here situated in the midst of the old town, right in front of the Christmas tree. I don't know why the Christmas tree looks like it's tilting. I hope it's safe. But yeah, this looks so nice. And this looks so nice. Look at this. So nice.
You have to do everything that Shafi don't like.
Ah,
Then I thought I love this market. I'm dying to go to this market.
Shafi, what don't you like?
I don't like sitting. I love walking. So we should not at all sit anywhere.
चलो इस बार शफी की बात मान लेते हैं. Let's keep walking. Just for Shafi's sake, only this time let's keep walking, okay? Let's not force him to do. Let's not force him to do what he doesn't want to do. Okay, guys. So we have found this E-Vidal Chocolade Pial. It's called Pialnea Chocolade. E-Vidal Chocolade. ये छुपी हुई है यहाँ पे क्रिसमस मार्केट के पीछे. दिस इज़ द प्लेस गाइस. यहाँ पे आप अपना चॉकलेट एंड एवरीथिंग खाओ. लेट्स सी. ओके भाई यहाँ पे चॉकलेट्स देखो कितनी वैराइटीज ऑफ चॉकलेट्स मिल रहे हैं. लुक एट दिस. They're like different kind of guys. This is just lips. These are lips. Wow. Like this is actually what you would expect if you're walking into a chocolate parlor in E-Vidal.
Do you have table?
Guys, यहाँ पे अभी हमें टेबल बुक करनी है. We are waiting for the table to be booked. I think it would have been nice अगर हम कॉल करके पहले रिजर्वेशन ले लेते या फिर इतनी देर बैठे नहीं रहते एंड लाइक रिजर्वेशन लेके बैठने जाते. बट अभी देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगेगा. लेट्स सी ये टेबल मिलने में कितना टाइम लगता है. क्या? शो अस योर रिंग. शो अस व्हाट यू बॉट. नो वे यू बॉट अ रिंग.
I got amber stone
With silver?
with silver,
Okay.
and it looks so fancy. It looks so pretty. It matches my jacket.
Wow. Nice. You got it yourself or somebody got it for you?
My boyfriend gave it to me.
Your boyfriend gave it to you? Who is your boyfriend? Who is this guy? That guy? That is a girl.
E-Vidal?
E-Vidal? E-Vidal is the guy? You must be rich.
This is E-Vidal.
I am even.
This
Did
is
you
my-
just call me brown in a different way? You racist. So guys, basically यहाँ पे वेट करना है आपको. We are in a queue. And until a waiter comes and like asks us to. Yeah, we have a seat for 4. Then until then we just have to wait here. So we just stand here and we wait until a seat is empty. Let's hope it is as soon as possible. So guys, हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं सारे लोग for 4 seats to get empty. एक टेबल मिल सके for 4. अभी वेटर आके बोल के गया है कि शायद मिल जाएगी. तो वी आर वेटिंग.
कुछ लोग निकल के भी गए हैं.
कुछ लोग निकल के भी जा रहे हैं. सो होपफुली नेक्स्ट सीट इज आवर्स. ओके गाइस, एंट्री हो चुकी है. पीपल आर सिटिंग. एंड यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट ऐसा है. लुक्स एक्चुअली सो नाइस. आई थिंक ये लोग वो हैं E-Vidal वाले जिन्होंने बनाया है. बट दिस इज़ नाइस. लाइक इतने सारे लोग खा रहे हैं इधर. द होल प्लेस इज पैक्ड. सो गाइस, बैठते हैं चिल करके. कैन वी शिफ्ट दिस टू दिस मे बी. गाइस, मेन्यू आ गए हैं.
We don't want breakfast.
There are so many things to get from. So Pragya and me have decided that we will go for this one, the classic chocolate portrait and this flavored chocolate trio. इसके अंदर हमें 4 तरीके की चॉकलेट मिलेंगी एंड हम वो 4 तरीके की चॉकलेट चखेंगे. Then there is going to be 3 kinds of chocolates जहाँ पे you have like wine and different things. So guys, waiter का वेट कर रहे हैं. वेटर का वेट कर रहे हैं एंड वेटर जब तक आता है. बाय द वे, क्विक इन्फो, वेटर को यहाँ पे लेकार का बोलते हैं, लेकार्स बोलते हैं. सो जस्ट एवर यू आर इन पोलैंड एंड यू नीड टू कॉल द वेटर आउट, यू कैन लाइक you should know like it's lekark or lekars. No.
Your angle is too high.
Hi. What is viewing?
No, your angle was too high. It's like we're looking at you from the top.
Like this?
Back should be lower.
This?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like I'm looking at your forehead.
Yeah?
Yeah, now it's good. Like,
Okay. Okay guys, और हमने डिसाइड कर लिया है सबने ऑर्डर. नाउ वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द वेटर. वंस द वेटर कम्स वी विल order and let's try. I'm excited how it's going to be and कैसे लगेगा. It's going to be so good. Possibly अगर टेस्टिंग में हमें अच्छा लगा सारा, then it's mainly like let's see, अगर 7 चॉकलेट के शॉट्स पी के अगर मन नहीं भरा तो फिर हम देखेंगे और कुछ मंगाएंगे, नहीं तो that is the plan. No? Okay, have the first one.
You want to try?
No.
Wow.
Which
It's
one is
so
this?
good.
Which one
I
is
think
it?
it's slightly bitter.
Slightly bitter. Okay.
I think this one should be not so bitter.
Try this.
It's good. It's so good.
It's nice.
Yes. I think this would be really bitter. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Shaky. Let's see.
you want to taste this one? This
It's
one
really
is what is gonna fix
It's really
you.
bitter.
You can mix these two.
Just have it like this.
The less bitter it is, the more thinner it is. Like the bitter one is so thick,
Okay.
and the milk one is so thin.
Okay.
yeah.
I
But
will
they are
go.
really good.
I will go like
Sugar, right?
this. See. Okay. First, milk.
nice.
Milk one. Go white one.
No, मैं पकाऊँ.
It's white chocolate, and I love it. A bit sweet for me. A bit like at the back of the tongue लग रहा है.
I don't give a shit about you either. You know, Lint chocolate.
Now I'm getting the essence and I'm liking it.
So,
I'm liking it. It's still a bit sweet, but at the back of the tongue पे
Ferrero Rocher.
it feels that sugar.
Here we go. Yeah, but I'm not.
Now this just went in and it felt so good. It felt so nice. Now let's see the darkest one.
I know. I usually went to it.
Okay.
Rosie. Okay.
Although I am fan of the bitter most chocolate, if I am enjoying a hot chocolate, my decision and price will go to slightly bitter. I think this is too bitter for even my taste.
It's too bitter. इन दोनों को मिक्स कर दो ना, इसको और उसको.
Okay. Maybe it's just प्रज्ञा ने स्लाइटली बिटर बना दिया. एक्चुअली प्रज्ञा ने मिल्क चॉकलेट बना दी, तो आई विल गो फॉर स्लाइटली बिटर नाउ.
It's nice.
Okay. My choice goes to slightly bitter for sure. But सही बताऊँ तो जो milk one है, it's nice but it still has this kind of bad taste which I don't like. Now we move to the one with the yes, ये मैंने end के लिए बचा के रखा है तो like end में. Now we move to the trio. This basically is chocolate but with mixture of stuff, hair and hair. So how about we go with this first?
Okay.
We mix this and first Pragya, of course, because why not? How is it?
Nice. It's nice.
What is it actually?
Raspberry.
Raspberry, okay.
It tastes like raspberry shake.
Raspberry shake, milkshake.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I would say like not a real fan of this because like it's basically raspberry and like
Milkshake.
milkshake. इतना कुछ लाइक खास नहीं है कि मैं ई-वेडल लाऊँ इसको लेने, मैं घर पे बना सकता हूँ. ये बहुत अच्छा एंड हेल्दियर एक्चुअली आई गेस. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस इज स्लाइटली बिटर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इनसाइड इट. आई हैव नो क्लू.
Like strawberry or raspberry.
I don't know. Well, let's see. First taste test.
It's Malina.
Malina,
Yeah.
but is it something special?
Like Malina chocolate. There's also एक raspberry का पीस इसके अंदर और यहाँ से मिक्स नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah, it's like Malina with some chocolate. इतना कुछ not that special. अभी तक तो भाई इसने भी डिसअपॉइंट करा. इसने भी करा, इतना कुछ खास नहीं था. आई एम नॉट वेरी फैन ऑफ दैट. आई एम होपिंग के द वन आई एक्चुअली रिजेक्टेड इन द फर्स्ट वन and I always prefer the bitterest chocolate probably is going to be the best. Okay, first goes Pragya.
It's nice.
It's
This one
nice.
is nice.
Okay.
It hits you at the back of the throat a little.
Yes. So basically if you are having this alone, like किसी मलीना के साथ, मलीना के बिना, then आपको बहुत डार्क और रस्टी फ्लेवर आएगा, रोस्टेड उसका कोको. बट क्योंकि ये डार्क है बट इसके अंदर मलीना है, इसके अंदर हल्का सा स्वीट टेस्ट है जो कि एक्चुअली अच्छा लगेगा. So I will have this and Pragya will have the other milkshakes. You better.
Because I like only muffin, na chocolate muffin.
Yeah, but you are going to, तुम्हें अभी जीक लग गई है. I'm telling you, तुम उसको भी छोड़ोगी. You will eat 2 bites and then you're going to be like, okay, मेरा हो गया. So don't force yourself. Like force yourself to like, नहीं मैं ई-वेडल आई हूँ तो like मुझे खाना है. मैं ईवेडल आई हूँ तो लाइक मैं सारा चॉकलेट मंगा लूँ. आई एम इन द चार्ली चॉकलेट फैक्ट्री. मैं सारी चॉकलेट खा लूँगा.
I would like that.
It was a nice experience having this 4 kinds of chocolate, these 3 kind of chocolate with flavors. So, how did you like it?
It was nice. It was different.
What
it was a
was-
different hot chocolate than we make at home. And now we know how to make this at home.
Yes, yes. Which one
Not
was?
too bitter, not too sweet, but like somewhere around 64.
Yes. So your favorite one was also slightly bitter.
It's
Actually-
somewhere in between, and from slightly bitter
milk.
and milk.
Milk to slightly bitter, yeah.
Yeah, like slightly bitter में whipped cream डाल दो.
For me, it's between slightly bitter to bitter. वहाँ पे आई थिंक मेरा स्वीट स्पॉट रहेगा, क्योंकि द बिटर वन, एक्चुअली जो बिटर वन है 84 वाली, इट्स लाइक थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा रोस्टेड फ्लेवर आ रहा था, जो कि मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा. बट 64 वाले में थोड़ी सी शुगर ज़्यादा आ रही थी, जो नहीं अच्छी लगी. तो लाइक अगर बीच में कुछ होता ना, लाइक हल्का सा ऊपर हल्का सा नीचे, बेस्ट, परफेक्ट, दैट इज़ द लेयर फॉर मी. सो आई गेस आई वुड गो विद लाइक द बिटर वन 84, बट लाइक प्रज्ञा सेड, लाइक उसके ऊपर मैं whipped क्रीम डाल दूँगा टू मेक इट अ बिट लाइट. सो या शफी, what did you order?
I ordered some kind of tea with oranges, cinnamon sticks and cloves,
Okay.
and ginger and honey, I think a little bit.
Okay.
It was mostly like a refreshing juice that cleans up after the big fat kebab that I had.
So you wanted to clean your big fat kebab that you had. Well, fair enough, fair enough.
I didn't go full on chocolate, so I wanted something light.
So yeah, that is it, guys. We had lots of fun here. This was an experience again. Like बहुत मज़े आए इसको try करने में. It was a different thing. Definitely, I'm not going to try it again. Like because too unhealthy for me.
We
Like
can try making it at home.
yeah, we can try making it at home. Overall, sometimes it's okay and it's holidays. So yeah, I gave myself a break. It's all right.
चलो उसके बाद अब हमें क्रिसमस मार्केट भी घूमनी है.
Hey. Hold up. Before you guys go, subscribe if you are new. And if you are just passing by but you like the video, subscribe. I need you. Yes, you. Person, please subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers. Next, if you found something interesting in the video, or if you have any suggestions for me for the next video, add them on the comments and I will take them seriously, I swear, and I will try to implement them on my next vlogs. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Let's move on to the Christmas market.